Hello everyone, and welcome back to iCloud Geeks. I'm Sabrina, and today, I'll be showing you a simple way to unlock your iPhone or any other iCloud lock device using a free online tool. It's quick, easy, and best of all, completely free. Let's dive right in. What is iCloud Lock? Before we start, skip the video and visit the link to unlock your iPhone directly. Let's quickly understand what an iCloud Lock is. iCloud Lock, also known as Activation Lock, is a security feature built into Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and iPods. It helps protect your device by requiring the Apple ID and password used during setup to reactivate it, which prevents unauthorized access if the device is lost or stolen. How to unlock your iCloud Lock device. Now, let's go through the steps to unlock your iCloud Lock device using this tool. It's really straightforward. Step 1. Visit the Unlock Tool website. First, open your web browser and go to the site at ie.cloud/tool. You'll find a simple interface when you land on the page. Step 2. Enter your device's IMEI number. To begin the unlocking process, you'll need the 15-digit IMEI number of your locked device. You can find this number by dialing ##06# on your phone. Enter the IMEI number into the tool and click Next. Skip the video and visit the link to unlock your iPhone directly. Step 3. Choose your unlocking option. On the next page, you'll see a few options, including Unlock iCloud to completely remove the iCloud lock and Bypass activation if you just need to bypass the lock without removing it. Select the option that fits your needs and click Start to begin the process. Step 4. Wait for the process to complete. Once you've started the process, the tool will begin working on your request. Make sure you stay on the page and don't close your browser until it's done. This usually takes just a few minutes, so hang tight. Step 5. Confirm and reboot your device. After the tool has finished, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your device has been successfully unlocked. To complete the process, restart your device, and you should find that the iCloud lock has been removed. Skip the video and visit the link to unlock your iPhone directly. Troubleshooting tips. If the tool doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply refresh the page and try again, as sometimes the scripts may not load properly. If it still doesn't work, check your internet connection and consider trying a different browser. Supported devices. This tool supports a wide range of Apple devices, from older models like the iPhone 5 to the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, as well as various iPad models. It's user-friendly, completely free, and you don't need to download anything, so you won't have to worry about malware. That's it for today's guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Bye!